We've seen almost the elimination of conventional cold mix in Denver. It really is superior to its competitors. It's easy to sell Easy Street because you can look anyone in the eye and say, this is what you need to be using.
CASI's Easy Street customers are governmental agencies or those who are involved with any other utilities. If they're cutting into the asphalt, they're our customer.
CASI used to offer conventional cold mix as well as Easy Street, and the customers just continually were coming in asking for Easy Street. If my customer says it's better, then it's better.
I really thought it wouldn't do what it was all hyped up to do, but it does. Pretty amazed with it.
I forgot what product we've used before. It seems like in the wintertime there's freezes, so it's real hard to get apart.
The fact that the customer tells me that Easy Street's better than the other products they're able to buy, then that tells me it really has differentiated itself. Our customers have given us the feedback that the cost of labor and the dangers of being out in the roadway, doing something once is the right way to do it. The permanent patch side of Easy Street is what gives those different municipalities the confidence to come fix it with Easy Street and know they fixed it right.
Yes, you will pay a bit higher upfront cost. However, there's no rework involved.
There's no cure time. There's no cooling. As soon as Easy Street has been placed, it will withstand traffic. And that really is a big deal.
If you're able to finish one project and move on to the next, and move on to the next, how can you not save money?
You're not relying on the hours that the hot mix plant might be working. You can buy it, truck it to your location, and then sort of leave it in a stockpile so you can have it on hand.
Even with the snow, it crusts over to protect it from the elements.
It's been a great partnership.
They don't just get Easy Street, the product, the material, they get me with it.
The support they give us is fantastic.
They're there for us, but it's the consistency that we as a producer provide that, is what we hang our hat on. Easy Street's workability and the ability to use it through the winter months gives us an extra tool in our toolbox to not only make money for CASI, but for our customers to go out there and do what they do. The stuff they're doing doesn't stop for anybody.
It's always workable. It works in all weather. It's such a simple solution.
It's getting the public back on the roadway, and that's a big deal.